So in case you got this error, how can you fix this error? Well, this error is, as I told you, is a mathematical error. Therefore, we can only display an error message instead of displaying this bad page. We need to display an error message in our application. So we need to display the error message here instead of going to that page. So how can we do that? Well, we can do that by using the try here, and then we pass the complete if statement here. Everything here we can pass it inside the try, and then except we also need to pass this, by the way. We also need to pass this, and then try, and then I'm gonna say here except if we have a value error. At this point we can return a specific message. So I'm gonna just copy this return and paste it inside the value error here. I'm gonna paste it here, and then I'm gonna return the result. I'm gonna return just 0 because we don't have a result. And the note here can say mathematical error, math error. And then for the color, you can pass the alert danger. Let me save now and head on over back to the browser to show you what's gonna happen. Let me here, for example, let me first refresh, and let me here pass 10, and then use the ACOS and then calculate. And as you can see, unlike before, I'm gonna get this error, math error, and then here the result is 0. So instead of going to the other page, which is a bad practice, we needed to display the error message here in our website instead of going to another page, which is very important in terms of user experience. You need to display the error here, math error, so that the user knows that there is a mathematical error.